Greetings, fellow dragon fruit lovers. This is Paul with another fruit review. Today I'm going to review Espinas. It's weighing in at just over a pound, and you can see here it's a stunning fruit. And Espinas actually means without spines. So you can see the branch. They call it spineless. It really has 1 to 2 spines that are about 1 millimeter in length. I don't see any on this branch because it had created a bunch of flower buds that aborted. But it's near spineless, so this is a good variety if you don't like getting poked. And it's actually one of the 20 varieties that UCCE has studied. And you can see it Brixes in the mid 16 to 17, and it's native to Nicaragua. So it came up front with Lisa, Sabra, and all those other Nicaraguan varieties. So it's really beautiful. And there is a downside. It's cold sensitive, and it's heat and UV sensitive as well. So a little bit harder to grow. I give it some shade from the avocado tree, and it's really happy. Now you can see it has really unique flower buds and growth. And then the flowers are really large, unique, beautiful flower. So let's go ahead, let's cut this open and see how it tastes. This is my second fruit that I've had this season, and I left this one on about a week longer than last time, and look at that. The skin's a little thin there, so this is probably at its peak ripeness. It's looking really good. I was worried that this variety was going to split. Wow, that's a beautiful looking fruit. All right, let's see how it tastes. You can see here the pulp. So that's the color. Well, the juices reflect the color of the pulp is what I'm trying to say. Let's zero this out. And the last one I had was about I think a 14. So let's see how the sugar content is on this lovely large ripe fruit. It's looking nice and juicy. Some of the red flesh varieties can be a bit more earthy, I guess you could say, but others are truly just spectacular, like smushed berries. So 15 1/10. There you go. So it will get higher in time, but 15 is a respectable score, or respectable value. Wow. It's definitely a unique flavor compared to other red flesh varieties. This one's good. I like it. Kind of like, I think someone online described it as a cherry vibe. And it's not like the sweet cherries. It's more like a nice ripe cherry that you get off of a tree. It's juicy and firm texture. The red flesh are high in antioxidants. That's good. I do not detect any earthiness in the seeds. Really enjoyable fruit. I think it'd be even better if it was maxed out on the bricks or up at the 17s. I think that would be really delicious. But I do agree that it does kind of put out a mild cherry vibe, is how I would describe it. Unlike others, it tastes like a raspberry or strawberry kind of mashed. This one's really good. It's mild. I really like it. I would give this, I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10, which is definitely a respectable score. The thing I don't like about it is I would like a bit more punch of flavors, and that may be achieved in time. This is the first season that this plant has produced fruit, and it's on its second wave right now. And there's quite a bit of seeds. They're pleasant. They're not overly crunchy, but they're definitely there. So it's just kind of like a mild cherry, slight grape vibe. But it's really good. I enjoy it. So there you go. That is Espinas. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Hopefully you'll get to try this lovely variety in the future. All right, have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.